Hello and welcome to everyone to do the question number 11 of exercise 9.1. So in this question here it is given that one of the tower here it stands. One of the tower stands on one of the bank of the canal. In one bank of the canal here it is the tower stands, and here in the another bank at the point of C. At the point of C, it is one of the point in the another bank from where the angle of elevation of the top of the tower it is our 60 degree, and once again from the C in the 20 meter away in the same direction. From the C 20 meter away in the same direction, D it is a point from where the angle of elevation of the top of the tower it is our 30 degree, and it is asked that you have to find out the height of the tower it is how much. Just like the last question, this question also we have to solve in the same way. See, here it is for this triangle and this triangle, larger triangle. Here it is two triangles are there. So this one it is one of the question where two triangles are there. And here it is one of the common side. This one it is the common side. Just like the last pole related question. Pole are same height, but pole height it was asked. In the same way, here it is the common. Here it is the common between the two triangles. But here it is asked to find out this one. For which one it is the common, and that one whenever it will be asked, always you have to express the another variable in the variable of our asked one. Always another variable you have to express in the form of the asked one. See, here it is the two triangles related case it is given, and here it is the asked one. It may be for this angle, otherwise it may be for this angle. Always the asked one it is our P. Always the asked one it is our P, and which one it is the given side, always it will be in the side of a P. So it means the trigonometric ratio which is to be used, that one related to our PB trigonometric ratio related trigonometric ratio we have to consider. It means PB related trigonometric ratio, it means 100% our tan, otherwise cut. But here I am using it as the tan. See, for this triangle I have to use, then after for the larger triangle also I have to consider tan 30 it is how much, and here tan 60 it is how much. Here I am writing in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, tan 30 degree it is our AB divided by DB, which implies tan 30 degree it means it is our 1 by root 3, which is our AB means asked one divided by DB. DB means this one it is 20, this one it is not asked. Suppose this one it is our X, suppose this one it is our X, suppose. So for which I am writing AB by DB means 20 plus X meter, which says by doing the cross multiplication I can find 20 plus X meter, 20 meter. Otherwise here I am writing this one as the 20 meter plus X. So for which on doing the cross multiplication I can find out 20 meter plus X, it is our AB into root 3. As I want to find out AB, for which X should be expressed in the form of AB. For which I am writing X it is equal to AB into root 3 minus 20 meter. It means from the first triangle I got the X in the form of the AB. Suppose I am making it as the equation 1. Just like I consider the larger triangle in the same way, again in triangle ABC, our tan 60 degree it is our AB divided by BC, which says tan 60 degree it means it is our root 3, it is our AB divided by x, which implies x. As I want AB, so for which x should be expressed in the form of the AB, which says x into root 3, it is our AB, which implies x, it is our AB divided by root 3. This one, it is our equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, from equation 1 and 2, as left side both having the x, so for which left side of both the equations are equal, for which 100% right side it will be equal, and right side I am writing just like this, AB divided by root 3, it is our AB into root 3 minus 20 meter. On doing the cross multiplication, see, on doing the cross multiplication means here it is nothing means divided by 1. It means root 3 it is to be multiplied with the total terms, for which AB it is equal to, directly writing AB into root 3, it is our 3AB minus 20 root 3 meter. Then after writing here, see, it means this 20 minus 20 root 3 I am keeping it in the left side. It means 20 root 3 meter, it is our 3AB minus AB, which says 20 root 3 meter, it is our 2AB, and it implies 2AB, it is our 20 root 3, which implies AB, it is our 20 root 3 meter divided by 2, which is our 10 root 3 meter. So finally we got the height of the tower, it is our 10 root 3 meter. Understood the trick? Here it is, this one it is common, this one it is the common between the two triangles, this one it is also the common. But here the trick is, whenever the common one it is asked, always instead of expressing this one in the form of this one, you have to express it as the reverse order. It means this one you have to express it in the asked one. Always asked one should be expressed. Understood? Today the discussion it is this much. In our next video we will do the discussion of our next question. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.